Welcome to Help Me GMP. Today, we'll be focusing on another critical component, internal audits. Internal audits are a key element of the quality management system, or QMS, in the pharmaceutical industry. They are systematic, independent evaluations conducted to determine two things, although these are often evaluated simultaneously. The first is whether internal systems comply with regulatory requirements. The second is whether internal activity complies with the internal systems and are completed to a satisfactory standard. In the video today, we will share with you in detail what the key elements of an internal audit are to help you implement this within your own facility to ensure regulatory success. Let's break down the key elements of internal audits. First, audit planning. The audit process begins with planning, where the scope, standards against which the audit will be performed, and audit objectives are defined. This should be carried out in line with the approved audit schedule to ensure all areas of the business are reviewed regularly. Next, audit preparation. Auditors prepare for the audit by reviewing relevant documents, previous audit reports, and action plans. This preparation helps identify key areas of focus and potential issues to be probed during the audit. Then, audit execution. The audit is conducted on-site, where auditors evaluate processes, interview personnel, and review records. They gather evidence to determine compliance with regulatory requirements and the QMS, and identify areas for improvement. Following that, audit reporting. After the audit, auditors compile their findings into a detailed report. This report highlights non-conformances, observations, and recommendations for best practice. It is shared with management and relevant departments for review. Next, action plan, where non-conformances are identified, corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA, are developed and implemented to address the issues. This should involve identifying root causes, establishing and implementing CAPA, and verifying their effectiveness. Depending on the non-conformance, a deviation may be required to assess the impact on any previous batches, and identify the root cause of the non-conformance where this would be beneficial. Then, follow-up. Follow-up audits are conducted to ensure that corrective actions have been implemented and are effective. This step is crucial for maintaining continuous improvement and compliance. Internal audits are vital for several reasons. First, ensuring compliance. They verify that processes and activities comply with regulatory requirements and internal standards. This is a mandatory requirement of Chapter 9 of EU GMP. Second, identifying risks. They help identify potential risks and areas of non-compliance, allowing organizations to address issues before they escalate. Third, improving quality. They drive continuous improvement by highlighting best practices and areas for improvement. And finally, enhancing accountability. They promote accountability and responsibility among employees and departments by ensuring that everyone adheres to established procedures and standards. Effective internal audits are essential for maintaining a robust quality management system and ensuring the quality and compliance of pharmaceutical products. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with more great content.